And now for the news in detail. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Wednesday said the Union Home Minister Amit Shah has asked the state government to move on with the border talks for resolving the remaining 6 areas of difference with Assam. During his recent visit to New Delhi, he had informed the Union Home Minister Amit Shah about the start of the second phase of the border talks between Meghalaya and Assam. He also submitted a report on the works done by the MDA government during the past 4.5 years.
And we will try our best to resolve this issue at the earliest. To that, he of course was very happy, very positive, and he said that he would like to see that we are able to resolve these issues at the earliest. And he stressed on that, and he said that we should work closely with some government also and with central government and find a way to resolve this issue.
Chief Minister Conrad K.